Well, we're starting with an update we're tracking from Chhattisgarh. Section 144 has been imposed in the state's Kawarda district following the communal riots that broke out in the area on Tuesday evening. While unrest prevails in the state, Chief Minister Baghel, remember, is busy in the national capital, also in Lucknow, fighting for his chair. Here are more details.
Unrest, communal riots, vandalism leading to lathi charge. This is the state of affairs in Chhattisgarh's Kawarda over the last couple of days. While unrest prevails in Chhattisgarh, Chief Minister Baghel is protesting in Lucknow in order to save his CM chair. Clashes erupted in Kawarda town on Tuesday evening as hundreds of people took to streets, vandalizing vehicles and stone pelting. The situation escalated so quick that police forces of 5 districts had to be roped in to control the mob. As protesters went on a rampage, police personnel resorted to lathi charge to control the mob. Section 144 has been imposed in Kawarda, while internet services have been snapped in neighbouring districts Bemitra and Rajnandgaon, including Kawarda. The situation has been tense in the area over the last few days. Listen in to what the district collector had to say 3 days ago when tensions were simmering between the two communities.
क्यों हुआ ये कारण को अभी देखेंगे, क्योंकि जो भी हुआ अभी हमारी पहली प्रायोरिटी ये है कि यहाँ पे जो तनाव की स्थिति है उसको समाप्त किया जाए और सामान्य स्थिति को बहाल किया जाए। तो अभी हम उस पर काम कर रहे हैं। 144 काफी देर से लगा नहीं, अब इमीडिएट तो लगा नहीं, जैसे ही लगा, जैसी भीड़ इकट्ठी हुई और जो एक बार दोनों पक्षों के बीच में बैठाल के समझौता हो चुका था और समझौता होने के बाद फिर से दोनों पक्षों के द्वारा उसको वायलेशन किया गया, उसको देखते हुए फिर धारा 144 लगाई गई।
Meanwhile, speaking to Republic TV, leader of opposition questioned CM's absence from the state.
देखिए, मुख्यमंत्री को प्रदेश से कोई लेना देना नहीं है। सत्ता में आना था, सत्ता में आ गए। जिस प्रकार से यहाँ पर घटनाएं घट रही है, आज कवर्धा जल रहा है, गृह मंत्री जी मौनी बाबा हैं, मौन साधे हुए हैं और मुख्यमंत्री सियासत करने में लगे हुए हैं। उत्तर प्रदेश के राजनीति में चुनाव में चूँकि सामने चुनाव है तो उसमें रोटी सेकने के लिए जिस प्रकार से लगे हुए हैं और इसीलिए हमने कहा कि हमको कवर्धा जाना है, वहाँ पर शांति व्यवस्था की स्थिति कायम हो और जिस हालात में जो घटना घटी है लोगों से मिलकर के, पीड़ित परिवार से मिलकर के आएंगे और उसके बाद में बाकी चर्चा करेंगे।
Amidst all this, Chief Minister Baghel remains a mute spectator with his priorities clearly misplaced.
While the mob brandished swords and in fact they also pelted stones at houses, shops, ransacked various vehicles and they engaged in arson. They also tried entering few of the houses. The administration has now taken and gripped the situation and have gotten everything under control, but the situation still continues to be tense. All of this is happening while the Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel is busy earning brownie points with the Congress High Command. Remember, he was here yesterday in Lucknow on a sit-in protest after he was denied an exit from the Lucknow airport. This is Sumi Rajapan for Republic Media Network with video journalist Anup Satsangi.